Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the retail demo mode on a Samsung smartphone or tablet. So this is usually when a Samsung device is used as a display device in a retail store and they have the device customized with tutorial videos and other demonstration videos that are in use on the device to show to prospective customers who come in to look at the device. So here with us today, we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Quite a mouthful, but that's the name of this device. And this is one that was actually used as a display device, and so it has various Samsung demo features installed and running on it. So on the home screen, we can see something here that gives you multiple buttons for being able to see features about the device and look at the specifications and other things. And then when we slide down the notification panel, we can see that there's something here that says Samsung Retail Mode that is enabled basically all the time. And then there is also a Retail Mode app installed on the device. But now when Samsung has this mode enabled on their devices, it's specifically only for use for tutorial and demonstration purposes in an actual store. So a lot of the normal features and functionality of the device is restricted or locked down. So for example, if we go in the settings under general management and then if we try to look at if we try to factory reset it, it is completely grayed out. So we cannot tap on that. We cannot tap on it at all to factory reset it. Or if we go under software information and we go to try to tap on the build number to enable Android developer options, that does not work. Nothing pulls up whatsoever. So that's a couple examples of how they have this device completely locked down. But we're making this video here to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this exact model without having to contact Samsung and get the specific password that you need in order to disable it. So Samsung provides all of their retail partners with the login codes to be able to enable and disable demo mode on a device as needed. And so if you can get the password from them, then it is something that technically is able to be removed. But the problem is that a lot of retail stores will simply sell the device for parts or whatever, or recycle it after it's gone through its life cycle as a display device. And so a lot of times it is not possible to obtain that password. So the procedure that we do is something that's performed directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer. So the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this service for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here with this device right now. So the device is just installing our file that removes the lock for us. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video and skip ahead to the end part where we show the lock completely being removed, just so we can keep this as short as possible. So hold on here while this finishes. Okay, so that has finished installing, and as part of the process, a factory reset is performed. So we are now back at the initial setup steps at the screen at the welcome screen as if it was a brand new device. So we're going to go ahead and skip through all of the initial setup steps here, and then we will show you what we have after we get to the home screen. Okay, so there we are. We're through the initial setup steps. We're at the home screen with access to all the features, apps, and functions. And we can see that if we slide down the notification panel here, we do not have that retail mode notification showing there anymore. And the app is also no longer present in the full list of apps that are installed on the device. If we jump into the settings, and then if we go to About Tablet and then Software Information, and if we tap on that build number now, we can see that it does allow us to enable developer mode. And if we go under, if we go under General Management and then to Reset, we can see that all of the reset options are now enabled. They are not grayed out anymore. So if we wanted to, we could tap Factory Data Reset and it would let us go ahead and proceed. So the retail demo mode has been removed and it's just like a brand new device that never had it on there, fully ready for use by any standard user, where you can add your own account and download apps and do everything that a normal device could, just as if it was purchased brand new as a retail user device. So again, this device is a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and then just so we show here exactly what we're working with, that model number there, the SM-X610, that's Samsung's model number for this specific tablet. So if you have one of these that has the retail demo mode enabled on it and need help getting it removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of our info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our YouTube channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy along the way. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all the new services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.